Good day, everybody. This is a review of the suite room in the Rafael Nadal Academy or Rafael Nadal Residence, which is at the Academy in Manacor, Mallorca, Spain. So I'm gonna be showing the room to everybody and the facilities in the room. But first of all, I would like this opportunity to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Rafael Nadal for everything he achieved and the example he is for young people around the world. He's quite impressive. And also, I would like to thank the staff here at the Academy for giving me an upgrade to the suite room. Yes, so thank you for this. So let's get started. So this is the suite room. First of all, we have the sitting area, which is actually quite big. I've been to other rooms as well, and it's a nice addition to this room. And here you got a 65-inch LG television, and you can actually in the evening decide whether you want to keep it this way and watch a movie from the bed, for instance, or turn it and you're able to watch movies from the couch, which is very nice. I will make an image of what is on the table. It's about the Rafael Nadal Experience Center, which is downstairs. It holds the trophies and is accessible for everybody who wants to visit. The foundation, Rafael Nadal Foundation, he actually works with kids in Manacor in Mallorca and in India as well. Facility map of the venue, and then general information about the room. So second thing I want to show is the big bed, the king size bed, which is actually very comfy and it's very big. The width is over 1.80 m, so it's very nice to sleep, and also it's a very soft bed. Over here you got switches for the lights. You have small lights you can turn on in the evening and big lights for when you want to read or something else. Obviously you have the remote for the television. You have a pen, Rafael Nadal Sports Center. You get this book so you can make notes if you want to. The phone book if you want to call the reception or other parts of the academy. And then you have an overview of the channels, which is quite elaborate actually, quite impressive. I found that most of them were English, German, Mallorquin and Spanish, so very nice for tourists. There we go. Then the 65-inch television is quite impressive and very nice to watch movies at night. So very nice addition to this room. This is the view from the room. If you want to check out the outdoors, we're gonna have a look at the balcony. There we go. Very beautiful. There we go. So you have a view of the academy outside and beautiful view of Manacor. You have a sitting area here. There we go. Then we have a desk here and a Nespresso machine, which I really appreciate. It's a great gesture, and espresso coffee. So if you're in the room, you don't want to go downstairs, you can just take a coffee here. There's sugar, extra sugar, brown sugar, sweetener, milk, obviously some cups to make coffee. You can boil water, and you can make tea if you want to make tea or drink water. This thing, actually, I don't know exactly what it is for. So if you guys know, let me know in the comment section. You have a small bin in here as well. And some room to put something. Also, what I really like is this Bluetooth speaker is added as well in the room. So if you want to play music, everybody's using Bluetooth nowadays. So very nice. You can use this Bluetooth speaker. Sound is quite great. Now we're gonna take a look at the closets, which are actually quite big. If you can see that there. Let's have a look inside. So actually I don't use them at the moment, but I can imagine if you stay here for 1 week, 10 days, 2 weeks maybe, you'll be using them to put your stuff and to put your clothes inside. Very nice. Let's have a look in the next one. There we go. More room for clothes. Room to put your luggage upstairs in the upper area. And then we've got the mini fridge with the drinks. Those drinks, this is the list of the drinks you have here. The mini vault, if you want to put something in the vault. And there's some snacks added as well. Pretty nice addition. Then you have a service for a laundry service actually. So if you want to put something here, you can put it in one of these bags and it'll be returned to you. Very nice. Actually quite surprised, there's a sewing kit here and a shoe shine sponge. Pretty cool. Yeah, very elaborate. Quite impressive actually. I've been to other hotels before, but this is quite elaborate. Let's take a look at the bathroom. There we go. The bath is quite impressive, very comfortable. I already tested this. It's quite nice. You have a lot of space down there. Can easily fit 2 people. Or you can take a quick shower using this one. Very nice. Then here under the sink we have towels, big towels, small towels, hair dryer, flip-flops, a bin, and you even have a scale. And then here, obviously soap, another piece of soap. And then we have some après shampoo. Well, there was actually more shampoo here in the beginning, but I already used some. So we have shampoo here. We have body milk here as well. And some après chewing. There's even a vanity kit here. Quite impressive. And shower cap. And 2 sets of toothbrush plus toothpaste. So you don't have to bring that yourself if you're visiting. Great. And then on this side you have 2 glasses. So very easy. This is the toilet. Very nice quality. And this light up here, it'll automatically turn on if you come close. So whenever you're close to the bathroom, it'll switch on. Very nice. And also you can close this area off. So if you want to have more privacy, that's fine. There you go. And then you have, in addition to the bath, to the very comfy bath, you have a shower here as well, which is actually quite big. Can easily fit 4 or 5 people in here. Very impressive. And you can use this shower head, or you can use this one. Very nice. Yes. So if you're interested in visiting the Rafael Nadal Academy, I will add the links in the description. if you want to check out our website. There's are various possibilities to relax here. There's a spa as well. You can have tennis training here outside. There's a gym, a fitness area. You can ask for a massage, all these kind of things. Very, very nice. So thank you for watching and see you next time.